Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. I would be firing up some fatwood, but I just did that last week, and it's a little chilly in my place, but it's not cold, so I'm not worried. I'm not gonna make a fire. I'll save firewood for next year if I don't have to worry about fire for the rest of the year. But I thought I'd share some Christmas cards, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so everything is face down, protect the addresses. The first card I got yesterday from Tracy Phillips. Winter Wishes, nice card. Appreciate that, brother and sister. His wife Leah. Appreciate that. Very nice. This one is for my brother, my northern brother and northern unseen sister, Mr. BC Gerbs and his lovely wife Kimmers, all the way from Canada, who are actually within drive of me too. So, warm Christmas wishes. Appreciate that, brother. Hope to see you. Holidays are blessed. Stay safe, my friend. Appreciate that, brother. I do that. I really appreciate that. I have a card on my way for you too. I a little dragged my feet this year getting cards out, and I do apologize. So this card actually has no return address, so let's I hope they signed it. So we got Merry Christmas. Oh, okay. It's from Chris's Variety Channel. Yeah, stickers right here. I think it's Chris Stone now, but Chris's Variety Channel. Celebrate the joy, wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Appreciate that, brother. That's the card. Now this is actually not a card I was given. This is a card that was returned. I sent this to Mark Kratz, and he sent this third time now I've sent him something, and I've gotten it back. I've sent him stickers, they get returned, and a Christmas card got returned too. I don't know why everything I send him gets rejected, but it's just it's aggravating. Alright, so I showed the stickers. We got BC Gerbs right here. Next to Plain Old Chuck, Michael Brunner, Allie Carroll, Mid Tennessee Outdoors. That's a sticker again, just coming up short. And Southern Patriot. Let's see. We got Chris's Variety Channel right here. Next to The Legend Ron T. Sawyer, Muskrat Jim Survival, Venture Roads Peeking In. We got Joseph Brussel, Bab Creations, Black and White Fire Starters, Bushcraft and Baseball, and Shalisa Shell. And Tracy does not have a sticker. So, yeah, that's too bad. Alright, well, I do thank the three of you for the cards. Sorry, Mark Kratz, MC. I tried. I don't know why everything of mine just gets rejected. No idea. So I'll reach out again, double check your address, see if I'm getting it right. But damn, it's frustrating. Anyway, Tracy BC Gerbs and Chris Stone, appreciate the cards. Much love and respect for all of you. Happy New Year. Personally, I don't really care that much about New Year's anymore. It's like meh. But I'm thinking about making, I don't know if I'm going to make any changes to my channel, but we'll see. I'll think on it, because I'm still kind of on my break, but yeah, we'll just see what happens. So, and I'm going to be doing Cast Iron Wednesday this weekend for Wednesday, so I can edit and upload it. And then I've got Shout Out on Monday, so if I get more cards over the weekend, I can include those in the Monday video. So, alright. See you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Be safe. If you're going to drink, have a designated driver, please. And we'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Happy New Year.